you'll need a replacement thermostat unit. We're using a Suburban heating thermostat, model 161154, a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is not connected to an external power source. If it is, disconnect it to avoid damaging the internal electrical system. Step 1. To remove the thermostat cover, push the unit up, then pull it back. Step 2. Pull the plastic protective cover off the bottom of the unit. Step 3. Loosen the captive screws at the top left and bottom of the unit. Gently remove the wires attached to the captive screws. Step 4. Remove the screws securing the base plate to the wall and keep them in a safe place. Step 5. Remove the base plate from the wall, gently guiding the 2 wires through the screw holes. Step 6. Gently guide the wires back through the screw holes, then hand tighten the screws to secure the back plate to the wall. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the back plate, ensuring it is level. Step 7. Reattach each wire to its captive screw, then tighten until snug. Step 8. Reattach the protective cover to the bottom of the base plate. Step 9. Reattach the thermostat cover to the base plate. Step 10. Turn the furnace power on and set the thermostat to a high temperature to test its operation. Wait a few seconds to confirm the furnace turns on and air flows through the vents. If you hear air flowing through the vents, the installation is complete.